Welcome to Harmony for Health. Hello, we're so glad you're here. Today, let's explore 9 amazing benefits of lemongrass tea and discover some simple preparation methods. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about adding a natural booster to your routine, this is the perfect place to start. Let's make health simple and enjoyable together. Lemongrass, and Simbapagan, a familiar perennial grass, originates from tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Africa, and Australia. Known not only as a popular culinary ingredient, lemongrass has been a valuable medicinal herb in traditional medicine for thousands of years. In traditional medicine, lemongrass is often referred to as xiang mao or xiang mao cao. With its spicy, refreshing taste, pleasant aroma, and warming properties, it has been widely used in remedies for various purposes, such as diuretic, expectorant, and sedative, calms the mind, reduces stress, and improves sleep. Pain relief, antibacterial, and anti-infectious properties. Modern scientific evidence. Modern science confirms that lemongrass, also known as citronella grass, sweet rush, or lemon balm, is a valuable herb with a wide range of health benefits. Research has shown that lemongrass contains powerful bioactive compounds such as citral, limonene, geraniol, and myrcene, which provide anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Notably, lemongrass essential oil can inhibit disease-causing fungi like Candida and Aspergillus niger. It also aids digestion, reduces bloating and indigestion, and protects the digestive system from infections. Furthermore, the compounds in lemongrass have been shown to protect cells from DNA damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of premature aging and certain types of cancer, such as skin, liver, and breast cancer. Beyond its culinary uses, lemongrass is a key ingredient in health and beauty products, promoting relaxation, relieving stress, and improving overall quality of life. With its pleasant citrus aroma, lemongrass can be used in various forms: tea, juice, desserts, or jellies, providing refreshing flavors and comprehensive health benefits. Lemongrass tea, in particular, supports digestion, reduces pain, and delivers strong antioxidant effects, making it a fantastic drink to incorporate into your daily routine for overall wellness. Now that you understand the magic of this plant, let's dive deeper into the benefits of lemongrass tea. It's truly a wonderful drink you should consider adding to your daily routine to enhance your health and well-being. Stick around until the end, and I'll share tips and easy recipes to help you effortlessly include lemongrass in your diet. Don't miss the chance to unlock the full potential of lemongrass for improving health, enhancing quality of life, and enjoying nature's benefits sustainably. If this is your first time visiting Harmony for Health, we're thrilled to join you on this journey toward natural wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on any valuable content. Your interaction and support are the driving force that inspires us to continue creating and sharing meaningful information. Thank you for being part of Harmony for Health. Scientific benefits of lemongrass. 1. Detoxifies the liver and eliminates toxins. Lemongrass Simbapogon has long been known as an herb that naturally supports liver detoxification and enhances liver function. Thanks to its powerful antioxidants, including citral, geraniol, and limonene, lemongrass neutralizes free radicals, key agents of liver cell damage and dysfunction. These compounds also help minimize oxidative stress, one of the main contributors to premature aging and chronic diseases. In addition to its protective effects, lemongrass stimulates the excretory process through the urinary system, effectively removing toxins from the body. Regular use of lemongrass, such as in tea or daily meals, not only provides liver-cleansing benefits, but also supports overall health. For individuals at risk of liver damage due to an unhealthy diet or exposure to environmental toxins, lemongrass can serve as a safe and natural choice to promote liver health. Science has proven that incorporating natural ingredients like lemongrass into your diet is not only simple, but also delivers sustainable benefits, keeping your body in a healthy and balanced state. 2. Boosting the immune system. Lemongrass, a nutrient-rich herb, contains powerful antioxidant compounds like citral, limonene, and geraniol. These compounds play a vital role in protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals, one of the main factors leading to weakened immunity and an increased risk of illness. A. Preventing infections. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass effectively prevent infections caused by bacteria and viruses, particularly colds and the flu. B. Strengthening resistance. Citral, the primary compound in lemongrass, stimulates the activity of immune cells, enabling the body to combat harmful external agents. C. Keeping the body energized. Incorporating lemongrass into your diet, such as by drinking lemongrass tea, not only supports the immune system, but also helps you feel refreshed and healthy. Effective usage. Lemongrass can be used in various forms, such as tea, juice, or even as an ingredient in daily meals. A warm cup of lemongrass tea in the morning or evening is an excellent choice to boost immunity, prevent illness, and enhance overall health. 3. Treating gastritis. Gastritis is a common condition characterized by uncomfortable symptoms such as burning pain, acid reflux, and bloating. One of the primary causes of this condition is the Helicobacter pylori bacterium, which attacks the stomach's protective lining, leading to inflammation and ulcers. Lemongrass, with its bioactive compounds like citral and geraniol, has been shown to neutralize stomach acid, alleviating the effects of an acidic environment on the stomach lining. Additionally, lemongrass exhibits strong antibacterial properties that inhibit the growth of Helicobacter pylori, addressing the root cause of stomach damage. Furthermore, the natural anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass help soothe inflammation in the stomach lining, reducing discomfort and improving digestion. Lemongrass tea is a simple way to enjoy these benefits. Regular use of lemongrass not only alleviates gastritis symptoms, but also promotes a sense of lightness and comfort in the digestive system while supporting gut health. 4. Natural pain relief. Lemongrass has long been recognized as a natural remedy for pain relief, thanks to its bioactive compounds, particularly myrcene. This compound offers potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects, helping to ease headaches, muscle pain, rheumatism, and cramps without the need for chemical pain relievers. Mechanism of natural pain relief. Myrcene in lemongrass works by reducing inflammatory responses in the body, helping to soothe pain. This is especially beneficial for individuals with chronic pain, such as arthritis patients, or those who frequently experience muscle aches due to heavy work or exercise. Practical applications. Using lemongrass for pain relief is not only effective, but also easy to implement. You can drink lemongrass tea. A warm cup of lemongrass tea relaxes the body and alleviates muscle tension after a long day. Massage with lemongrass essential oil. Dilute lemongrass essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, to massage sore areas, improving blood circulation and quickly easing muscle stiffness. Soak your feet in warm lemongrass water, a simple way to relieve muscle soreness and relax your entire body. Lemongrass is an ideal choice for those seeking pain relief without the common side effects associated with conventional pain medications. 5. Reducing cholesterol and managing diabetes. Lemongrass is an excellent natural ingredient for supporting cardiovascular health and blood sugar management. Studies show that lemongrass contains powerful antioxidants that help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglyceride levels in the blood. Maintaining these levels in balance plays a crucial role in reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. Additionally, the compound citral in lemongrass has been proven to improve insulin sensitivity and enhance glucose tolerance. This makes it especially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes, helping them manage blood sugar levels more effectively and minimizing related complications. Incorporating lemongrass into daily diets, such as by brewing lemongrass tea or using it as a seasoning in dishes, not only provides a refreshing flavor, but also supports overall health. However, lemongrass is not a cure for diseases and cannot replace conventional medical treatments. To achieve optimal benefits, users should use lemongrass as part of a healthy lifestyle, combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise. 6. Supporting weight loss. Another standout benefit of lemongrass is its diuretic properties, which help the body eliminate excess water, reducing bloating and abdominal discomfort. This results in a lighter, more comfortable feeling, especially for those prone to water retention. The citral compound in lemongrass plays a vital role in preventing fat accumulation by supporting fat breakdown and boosting metabolism. This helps the body use stored fat as an energy source more efficiently, reducing the risk of uncontrolled weight gain. Additionally, regularly consuming lemongrass tea can help curb appetite due to its calming effects on the nervous system and its ability to reduce stress, an important factor in maintaining a healthy diet and avoiding overeating, a common cause of weight gain. With low calories, lemongrass is an excellent substitute for sugary drinks or those containing artificial sweeteners. Start the habit of drinking a cup of lemongrass tea daily to support weight loss goals, improve body shape, and enhance overall health. Lemongrass is not only a natural and safe solution, but also easy to integrate into daily diets, offering sustainable and long-term benefits for body care. 7. Managing blood pressure. Lemongrass is a natural ingredient known for its effectiveness in managing blood pressure due to its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. The bioactive compounds in lemongrass, particularly citral and geraniol, help the body eliminate excess sodium through urine, thereby reducing pressure on blood vessels and stabilizing blood pressure. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of lemongrass improve vascular health, preventing arterial stiffness, a common cause of high blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. Regular use of lemongrass not only boosts blood circulation, but also supports maintaining the flexibility and health of the circulatory system. Lemongrass can be easily incorporated into daily diets through tea, juice, or as a spice in various dishes. A warm cup of lemongrass tea daily not only provides relaxation, but also supports natural blood pressure management without the need for medication. However, lemongrass is not a complete substitute for medical treatments. Individuals with a history of cardiovascular or blood pressure conditions should consult their doctor before using lemongrass as part of a supportive regimen. 8. Fighting insomnia and anxiety. Lemongrass, cymbopogon, has long been recognized for its natural sedative properties, thanks to compounds such as citronellol and geraniol. These substances not only help the body relax, but also play a significant role in improving sleep and reducing stress. Mechanism of action. Citronellol and geraniol have the ability to calm the central nervous system, reducing anxiety and mental tension. Lemongrass has also been shown to enhance serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter crucial for regulating mood and sleep. Practical benefits. A. Improve sleep quality. Drinking lemongrass tea before bedtime is a natural way to help the body relax and enter a deeper sleep state. B. Anxiety reduction. The gentle citrus aroma of lemongrass, used as essential oil or tea, can create a soothing effect, easing daily life anxieties. C. Mood regulation. Support enhanced serotonin levels not only help stabilize mood, but also lower the risk of mild depression. 9. Combating fungal infections, bacteria, and oral health issues with lemongrass. Lemongrass essential oil contains bioactive compounds capable of eliminating pathogenic fungi, like Candida, and bacteria linked to gum inflammation, such as Streptococcus mutans. These pathogens often cause bad breath, tooth decay, and oral infections. With its strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, lemongrass not only reduces the risk of gum disease, but also supports maintaining a clean and healthy oral environment. Using mouthwash made from lemongrass essential oil or incorporating lemongrass into your daily diet is a natural and safe way to protect oral health without relying on chemical-laden products. Additionally, the refreshing scent of lemongrass brings a pleasant feeling, improving breath and providing relaxation. This makes it an ideal choice for comprehensive health care, especially for those interested in natural remedies. Try adding lemongrass to your diet or using lemongrass essential oil to make the most of its amazing benefits. Simple yet effective, lemongrass truly is a companion you can't afford to miss on your health journey. Preparation and usage of lemongrass. 1. Lemongrass tea. This is a simple beverage with numerous health benefits. To make lemongrass tea, steep fresh or dried lemongrass, leaves in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Lemongrass tea not only aids digestion and detoxification, but also offers relaxation with its mild aroma. You can add a bit of honey or lemon for enhanced flavor. 2. Lemongrass essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil is known for its practical applications. Wound healing. Dilute with a carrier oil, e.g. coconut oil, and apply to wounds for antibacterial effects. Aromatherapy. Add a few drops to a diffuser to relax, reduce stress, and improve sleep. Insect repellent. Dilute and spray around the house to effectively repel mosquitoes and insects. 3. Culinary uses. Lemongrass is a fantastic seasoning that enhances the flavor of dishes and drinks. You can use it to add a refreshing taste to fruit juices, enhance the aroma of baked goods, create unique flavors in jellies or desserts. Potential side effects and risks of using lemongrass. Although lemongrass is a natural herb with numerous health benefits, improper use or excessive consumption may lead to certain side effects and potential risks. Here are important precautions to note. 1. Common side effects. Dizziness. Some people may feel dizzy, especially when consuming large amounts of lemongrass. Nausea. Another common reaction is nausea after drinking lemongrass tea or using lemongrass essential oil. Low blood pressure. Lemongrass has diuretic properties, which can lower blood pressure, causing fatigue or weakness. 2. Groups to avoid lemongrass. Pregnant or nursing women. Compounds in lemongrass may cause uterine contractions or affect the health of the mother and baby. Children under 18. Lemongrass is not suitable for young children as their bodies may not metabolize some of its compounds effectively. People with specific medical conditions. Those with a history of heart, liver, kidney, or low blood pressure conditions should consult a doctor before using lemongrass. Conclusion. Lemongrass is not only a familiar ingredient in cooking, but also a golden herb with remarkable health benefits. From aiding digestion, detoxifying the liver, and relieving pain to boosting immunity and controlling blood pressure, lemongrass offers outstanding value for natural health care. To maximize its benefits, you can brew a cup of lemongrass tea daily for relaxation and better digestion. Use lemongrass essential oil in aromatherapy to reduce stress and repel insects. Add lemongrass to dishes and drinks like lemongrass, lemonade, or soups to enhance flavor and nutrition. Make lemongrass a part of your daily routine to experience positive changes in your health and well-being. Don't forget to follow Harmony for Health to update more useful knowledge about natural health and a balanced, harmonious way of living. Together, we will build a healthier and more sustainable life. Thank you for taking the time to follow. Wishing you and your family good health, happiness, and peace.